got on record now?
Yeah, we're going.
Talk to him.
We're going.
Talk to him now. What do you want to tell him?
How you doing? My name's Captain Joe Clarice, Ladder Company 103. This is what we did at this fire we had today. We had a one-story private house with a flat roof. The fire was in the rear bedrooms with also a rear setback we had back there. When we pulled up, the engine company had their line already inside, getting ready to stretch and start water. We followed behind them with our standard practice of entry and search as we go along, checking for victims, breaking windows behind us so we let fresh air in. That way, smoke exits out the rear there. As we were going along, we had some heavy fire in the rear bedrooms. We had to wait for the engine to get there because we tried to knock it down with the can, but we were unable to because of the amount of fire. So we let the engines knock it down. Once they knocked it down, we proceeded with our primary search of the fire floor. We had reports of people trapped, but that turned out to be negative. When the fire was knocked down, we did our overhauling. Everything that was smoldering, we got them out. We opened up hidden pockets of fire to knock it down with the hose line. This was a very smooth job. Also, what we did was, since it was a one-story private house with a flat roof, it was similar to a top floor fire, where we went in and we cut the roof to vent over the fire. We cut a nice hole, about 3 feet by 5 foot hole, and that way it vented. It would be much easier for us to move in. And that was a wrap. That's how it went. Nice and easy. Thank you.